businesses cannot be understated. So we are here to support them tonight. We're here to congratulate them, and we're here to look forward to their launch and working with them going forward. So all of you small and medium-sized business owners, please check out Direct Co-ops and support them as they undertake their journey. Congratulations.
Thank you. Put your hands together to Jasmine, BDC, local hero of the month. So this whole situation is brought together by each and every one of us. So we acknowledge all of you for your support tonight. And at this time, I'd like to also acknowledge a very local leader of the month for helping Direct Co-ops and AJ and all of us working together throughout different events. At this time, I'd like to call upon a good brother, Johnny Brower. He's our local leader of the month. He's been helping with donations and helping on level. All the art you see, he's been very helpful. The $50,000 art donations to help direct initiatives. So we're very honored to welcome Johnny Brower to the team and being a part of the team. So miigwech.
Local leader of the month, yo!
Thank you very much. Well, I must say it is an honor to be part of this. It's not something I expected when I came to Toronto. I was very, very pleased and surprised to be invited to be a part of this and to take the opportunity to share some of the art that I represent in the capacity of being able to help Direct Co-ops. I've found a terrific pair of friends in Danny and AJ and all of the team. And it's just the kind of a thing that I feel is important in this present economy. Right now, small businesses have very few allies. And with the advent of big box stores and the kind of shopping mall situations that exist right now, it's very difficult for a small business, especially to get started, never mind to stay started. So the opportunity for them to be buying and acquiring goods on a favorable basis, and possibly even a more favorable basis than they could have ever imagined, is something that I think is timely and of the present time. And for it to be starting in Toronto, for it to be starting here, and for me to have an opportunity to be part of it, I'm thrilled by it. And I just want to thank AJ and Danny again. And I want to thank my friend Gordon Whiskey for introducing me to the situation and bringing me to this opportunity. And all of you here tonight have a terrific time. It's a wonderful opportunity for us all to meet each other and share our opportunities and our ability to bring to each other the benefits that we have. Thank you so much.
Oh, request, Johnny.
Thank you, Johnny. So lastly, before we can get back to having fun and networking and doing what we do best, I'd like to pass the microphone over to Stan Garden. Nobody has done more for people in this city and for those that cannot help themselves as this man over here, Stan Garden. So I'd like everybody to warm up right now.
Ladies and gentlemen, I've known AJ for a number of years. Ladies and gentlemen, I've known AJ for a number of years, just before he actually started, or maybe the same time he started 416. And this man is incredible. I'll tell you why. He believes in what he wants to do. He has a goal. And the only way you make it in this life is to have a goal. It's tough sometimes when everybody doesn't understand when you're going through a lot of problems, trying to get something off the ground that people don't understand. Well, this man is still here after all these years, and everybody here, most of us know him and know his goal. And his goal is incredible because he wants to help people. He wants to help people that can't help themselves, that can't buy products and can't buy things to survive in their own little business they're in. And what he wants to do is not compete with Walmart. He doesn't want to compete with anybody. He wants to help the world, and that's what he's going to do. So this is what happens. He's going to help all the people. He's going to be able to buy products. Hopefully, is reasonable as Walmart or anybody else that buys in bulk. That's his goal. And if he can achieve this, as a lot of you people, as this gentleman just got off, understand he's a bonus guy too that just got off. He's a real businessman and a terrific man, I know him. So the catch is this: back this man, believe in him, I do, and I'll do anything in the world to help him to get started in this business, and I have been. So everybody enjoy yourself here and take care of AJ.
All right, everybody, let's go out and have some fun. And thanks again, and meet people, because everybody here is an awesome person. And don't forget to go and participate in the silent auction in the back, because there's some amazing stuff out there. Thanks very much.